Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to practice some programs. These programs are on logical operators, and also this program is on bitwise operator and equality operator. So we are going to cover these two programs, and we'll try to understand how these programs will get executed with the use of this operator precedence and associativity table. The concept of operators, precedence and associativity, and some of the practice problems has already been done in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concept. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, let's try to solve these two problems. How these problems will get executed by using that operator precedence and associativity table. So here we are having we have declared five variables, values, the variables are A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E. So the value of A is 5, B is 6 and C is 7 and D is 4, and the value of E will be assigned by the output of this expression. So being all these operators or comparison and logical operators, the output will be either 1 or 0. So what happens, how this will get executed? So among these operators, which one is having the highest precedence? What are the kind of operators that we have? It is, one is comparison operators. This is comparison operators, and the next kind is logical and logical OR. So see here, these are the operators, logical and logical OR. So among these three operators, which one is having the highest precedence? The comparison operators is having the highest precedence. It is greater than symbol. And as we are having multiple comparison operators with the same precedence, the associativity is from left to right. Okay, it is from left to right. So what happens is, this one will get executed first, and this one will get executed next, and this one will get executed at last. So what is the output of A greater than B, 5 greater than 6? Is it true? No, 0 will get generated. C greater than D, 7 greater than 4. So is it true? Yes, it is true. A greater than D, 5 greater than 4. Is it true? Yes, it is true. And now the logical AND and logical OR has to be applied. Among these two, which one is the highest precedence? Logical AND is having the highest precedence. So this is how the execution will be done. Okay. So logical AND means 1 and 0. So when the logical AND is going to produce an output of 0, output of 1, if both the values, both the operands are 1, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. So this part will get executed, and this is going to produce an output of 1. And for this this is 1. And what about the logical OR? What is the output? How logical OR produces an output of 1 when any one of the operand is 1 or both the operands are 1. So this is going to produce an output of 1. So the output 1 will get stored in E. Next, coming to this, here we are having three variables. Variable A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, C is equal to 3, and fourth variable is D. And here the operators are, this is equality operator and this is bitwise AND operator. Here what are the operators? And the next one is assignment operator. Here also we are having assignment operator. Where is the assignment operator? The assignment operator is having the least precedence. Among these three, among these four, the assignment is having the least precedence. And what about this equality operator? Here we are having equality operator, and next one is bitwise AND operator. Below that is the bitwise AND operator, and the next one is assignment operator. Among these three, which one is having the highest precedence? The highest precedence is for equality operator. So which one will get executed? This one will get executed first, and the output is 10 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes, this is true. So it is going to produce an output of 1, and the value of C is 3. So this is bitwise operator. As we have already discussed, bitwise operators are the operators where the operations are performed on the bits of the variables, operands, bits of the operands. So let's take it as an 8-bit values. So 8-bit 1 and 8-bit 3, assume it as 8-bit, it will be more than 8 bits. So the binary representation of 1 in 8 bits is this is the binary representation, and the binary representation of 3 with 8 bits is this one. So 1 1 bitwise AND operator, bitwise AND operator means 1 and 1 is going to produce an output of 0, sorry, this is 1 and this is bitwise AND. So when it is going to produce an output of 1, if both the values are 1, then only it is going to produce an output of 1. Here 0 and 1, this will be 0 and the remaining all are going to be 0. So the decimal equivalent of this is 1. So this is also going to produce an output of 1. So after this entire part will get executed and then the assignment is done. Okay, so these are some of the problems on logical and bitwise operator. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Let's check the output on the computer, see whether it is going to produce the same output or not. See here, this is our logical operator problem. Execute this one. Okay, so this is, let's delete this. Okay, so the output is 1, and similarly for the next one, let's compile this and execute this. The output is 1. So this is all about these are some of the practice programs on operators and precedence and associativity of operators. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.